Welcome back, Buckeye Nation, to your Caribou Data Science channel. Before we get started, I do have a couple of small requests. First of all, if you haven't subscribed, then by all means, click that subscribe button. We're getting really close to 100 subscribers, so I need your subscription to bring us one subscriber closer to 100 subscribers. Secondly, be sure to click that like button. And third, and most important of all, don't forget to click the share button and share this video with one of your friends today. That's all I'm asking. Share it with one of your friends today, okay? That's good much support for the state of Ohio now. Okay, so what you can see here is that Ohio currently has 968,871 cases, 17,348 deaths. You can see the mortality rate is remaining fairly low, below maybe, well, below what? Let's take a look at something here. Okay, it does have a continuous label as %, but it's not reading it. Okay. So I'm not sure why that's not registering as a %, but that should be, what, 1%, 10%? Okay, and here's some good news for us for today, Ohio. Look at this nice steady decline in cases in the state of Ohio. Deaths continue to be relatively flat. This is a massive 4,000 dump they did in 1 or 2 days. Okay. Now you can see this nice steady 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7-week decline in cases. But there's also 10 weeks in a row when the weekly cases have finished below this number here. Now, let's take a look at deaths. Deaths are relatively flat. You can still see that it's still relatively flat, not a lot of decline. Monthly cases, you can see February cases were a lot lower than the previous 3 months. Now this number here is incorrect. Because what this is, this represents 4,000 added deaths over a 2-day period. Because apparently they undercounted deaths in Ohio for the fourth quarter of 2020 by 4,000 deaths. Now, of course, they should have taken that 4,000 and spread them back out over these 3 months here, but they didn't. They chose to just add this here, so now we have this massive spike. So if we take away 4,000, that means the number is actually probably somewhere down around in here. Okay, that means all these numbers here were going up, and this should have dropped around in here. Okay. Of course, that also makes the numbers for 2020 look a little better because it's underreported by 4,000. Okay, now these are the counties these are the 5 counties with the most cases in the last 7 days. Franklin had the most, there were 150 cases. Deaths in the last 7 days, Franklin had the most deaths with 5 deaths. This is Franklin County's cases. You can see like the states are continuing to decline. But you can see deaths are starting to climb back up towards 5 deaths per day now. Okay. So that takes care of the report for the Buckeye State for today. Thanks so much for stopping by, spending a few minutes with me this morning. Also, don't forget that if you haven't done so already, click the subscribe button. Also, click the share button. Share this video with one friend today. That's all I'm asking. Share it with one of your friends today. Thanks so much for your time, and we'll catch you on a later report.